Hey folks, if you're an artist or musician and you're working out of a home studio like I do, it's really important in the summer to keep your environment cool and quiet and peaceful so you can really develop your craft and be in a tranquil mindset. So I'm showing you real life here, how I'm keeping my home studio. Yeah, it's a little dark in here, but that's because I turn off the lights on hot days. You can see actually, it's not too warm, and keep my windows the blinds half down. There's my AC right there, but I'm not using it today because it's cool enough. I just want to show you with a nice curtain here, gently letting the breeze come into the room with natural airflow. It's really, really nice. You know, just a little curtain there. It gives you a sense of privacy while still letting the breeze come through. Plus, it's very aesthetically pleasing. And then the top bout of the window, I do keep the blind down because the sun was beaming in there just a little while ago. And then, you know, you can keep your easel or art recording, music recording gear or instruments. And this creates a very nice, cool, tranquil environment with the fresh air flowing in. And on the hottest days, I'm closing those windows. Sometimes I'm putting those shades all the way down and lifting up that curtain and firing up the AC, as you've seen in previous videos. You know, I was recently visiting a fellow artist friend in her studio in a downtown location, and she was on an upper floor, and it was really hot and stuffy in there. And I was getting just very sleepy and lethargic just hanging out. And you know, it occurred to me how important it is for me anyway to have a comfortable working environment to really get the most creativity as well as energy and just you know, keeping a sense of vitality going throughout the day. Hey, ferns filter out pollutants in your environment. If you want to be aware of that as a heads up for house plants, so definitely check out putting ferns in. Also, they create a sense of cool in your environment. You know, ferns love the shade. So if you draw the blinds halfway or full way even some days, those ferns are still gonna flourish. So check that out. Thanks for watching, you guys. I look forward to reading your comments below about how you're staying cool and quiet with a sense of peace and tranquility as you develop your own craft. And have a great day.